again, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is a tomato carpaccio. This is from the Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook, and it is actually the first ever recipe I covered on my YouTube channel. This is the recipe here, and then this is what it will look like. So what you need for this recipe: beef tomatoes, spring onions, coriander, green chilies, sea salt, ginger, apple cider vinegar. This is a really good thing to buy in bulk, and you can buy it from Apparatus. The little tip is to actually make this yourself. And here we have it, the beef tomato carpaccio. This dish is absolutely essential. It's brilliant. You can put it on your burgers, you can put it as a side dish. It's an absolute household favourite here. Fantastic for Veganuary, or just generally you want to be healthy. Really low in carbs, really good in fats and antioxidants. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please don't forget to subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into these shows. Also check out my other playlist for vegan and vegetarian recipes. Enjoy.